Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Waller's Wallet, and wouldn't you know it, but American Express has rolled out a couple of new benefits on the Gold Card, and one of these benefits actually applies to the Platinum and the Green Card as well. So let's take a look at these new benefits and see if it's an improvement or not. Now, if you want a simple way to help out the channel, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, starting in early 2021, people who hold the American Express Gold Card will be getting a raise to their monthly American Express allowance because cardholders will be getting a $10 monthly or $120 yearly Uber Cash credit. This can be used for Uber rides and even Uber Eats. And this benefit should just be like the Uber credits you get on the Platinum card. And if that's the case, this benefit will only be eligible to be used in the US since the Uber benefit on the Platinum card does not work abroad. This should be similar to the dining credit we see on the Gold Card currently, since it gives you a $10 monthly allowance to Grubhub or certain limited restaurants. Now, it should be noted that the Uber Cash benefit is in addition to the dining credit. You do get both. You're not going to be giving up that dining credit for this. Now, this certainly does look to be the benefit that's going to be replacing that airline credit that's going to be going away in 2022. And it either seems people like this benefit or they don't like it, because it seems either people use the airline credit and had no issue with it, or people like Uber Eats, or maybe you're someone who doesn't like either of those options. So American Express has replaced one difficult credit with another option that'll be hit or miss for people, because this benefit will not benefit all card members. Then we see American Express give people who hold the Green Card, the Gold Card, and Platinum Card a 12-month membership to Eats Pass. Now, this benefit you do need to enroll by December 31st of 2021 to get that 12-month benefit. And the benefits of an Eats Pass, it will give you no delivery fees and a 5% discount on Uber Eats orders that are $15 or more. But if you don't hit that $15 spending requirement, then your Eats Pass benefits are not going to apply. Then you'll also get free delivery on grocery deliveries that are $30 or more. And if you're somebody who already has an Uber Eats Pass membership now, then you should still be able to enroll in this and get your 12 months free. Now, this is retailed at $9.99 per month, so it has a listed value of $120 per year. Now, I've been on the side that these allowance-based credits to specific options like Uber Eats or DoorDash aren't as good as advertised. The food cost here is inflated and there are fees associated with them, even if some of these are waived or reduced. And instead of letting someone have $120 for the year to do what they want, American Express again makes this more cumbersome by breaking it up for customers. And this could serve as a way for people not to use all that credit up and then decide to cancel their card. But even if American Express didn't give the full $120 up front, at least make it $60 twice a year to give their customers more freedom to use this how they want. Now, if you're someone who was using Uber Eats or had an Eats Pass without these credits initially, then this is a good move for you because you do get some benefits here that could actually be of use to you. But if you're someone who's only using this benefit because it's there, then I don't think this benefit is as valuable to you, and it could just lead to you spending more money to justify the credit. Because there comes this mindset with these credits that you need to use them or you aren't getting the full benefit or value from it. And that could lead to you spending money that you weren't intending to spend. Because you get $10 per month, and if you don't use all of it, you're not getting the full value out of that credit. And the odds of hitting $10 on the button every month is pretty small. So you could be spending extra money on these services because you feel obligated to use these credits. And at the same time, Uber Eats is not everywhere, so not everyone who's going to be able to take advantage of this benefit. And that's something I think American Express is banking on here as a certain amount of breakage on these benefits. And there will be plenty of people who do not utilize that full $120 benefit yearly. Now, I've always felt credit cards and the rewards that come with them should be something that complements your lifestyle. You shouldn't be adjusting your lifestyle just for these credits, and that's what I really feel a lot of these credit card benefits are trying to do. They're trying to have you adjust your lifestyle to spend more on these credits because you feel obligated to use them. I still stand by the method that you should be using credit cards that benefit your lifestyle to give you the ways to maximize those rewards in the best way possible. And even though I'm not a fan of these type of credits, I do recognize value. And right now the Gold's bonus is 60,000 points, and that makes the Gold card a good year one card. And for 2021, you do get a lot of these credits, and even if you don't use all of them or only get 50% value from them, then you still could come out ahead in year one. but for year 2, you definitely need to run the numbers. So tell me, what do you think of the additional benefits to the gold card? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, take a look at the links down in the description below. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And until next time, safe travels and take care.